Okay. That's a good picture face. Now we're going to say some of your words. Jack, can you say lemonade?
Lemonade.
Very good. Can you say picnic tacos?
Tacos.
Can you say computer?
Computer.
Very good. Can you say college group?
College.
Oh, try again.
College.
College group.
College group.
Very good. I know. Can you say basketball?
Basketball.
Can you say typical?
Typical.
Very good. Can you try that one again? Can you say typical? Can you say typical?
Typical.
Very good. Now, can you say, I got a couple more things to ask you about. Can you say Peter Rabbit?
Rabbit.
Okay, look at me and say it again. Oh, you're just all over the place, huh? Hold on, come here. Okay, say, can you tell me what does the horse say? Good job. And one more thing. What does the frog say? The frog.
Ribbit.
That's right. The frog says ribbit. Can you say ribbit?
Ribbit.
Good job. Now one more time. Can you say Peter Rabbit?
Rabbit.
Very good. Now can you blow me a kiss? And can you say bye-bye?